Welcome back, guys, to our DSA challenge series. In this particular series, we are looking the questions based on hash maps. So let us see our today's question. Our today's question is longest substring without repeating characters. So let us see what does the question says. The question says we are given a string S and we need to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Substring is a continuous set of characters in a particular string. So there can be many substrings in a particular string, but we need to find the length of that particular substring in which the characters are not repeated. So let us understand this question with the help of an example. In example number 1, we are given a string ABC, AB, CBB. So the possible substrings are ABC, A. ABC, A will not be included. Why? Because in this, the character A is repeated. So the longest substring without repeating character that can be formed is ABC in this particular case. Second can be BCA, because if we will take BCAB, the character B will be repeated. So in this way, there can be many substrings, but the length of the maximum possible substring without repeating characters will be of the length 3, which could be ABC. So in this particular example, we will return 3 as our answer, as 3 is the length of our maximum longest substring without repeating characters. In the similar way, our example number 2 contains only B's. So if we will take any substring, the second character of that particular substring will be repeated because it is the string contains only B's. So the maximum possible length of a substring in this particular case is of length 1. So we will repeat 1, we will return 1 as our answer. So I hope the question is very much clear to you all. Now we will see the approach of this particular question with the help of our code. What we did in line number 4, we have calculated the length of our string, which was given to us in the question using int n is equals to s dot length. After that, we have declared a variable max length. In the variable max length, we are going to store the length of the longest substring without repeating the characters. So max length is going to be our answer. And we have initialized it with 0. Now, in order to solve this particular question, we will require a map. So we have declared a map, an ordered map, char, int, char. So the map stores characters as keys and their indices will be stored as values in this particular map. We will also require 2 pointers, which are left and the right pointers. Why we require these pointers? We will require these pointers in order to calculate the value of max length, in order to calculate the value of the substring, which is in progress. Initially, we have initialized the left with 0. And with the help of a right pointer, we will iterate through the entire string. So in line number 9, we have declared a for loop with the help of which we will iterate through the entire string. Then we will check for int right equal to 0, right less than and right plus plus. Then we will check if the current character will be presented s at the index of right. S at the index of right will give us the current character. So if the current character is not in the map, that is, if char map.count s at the index of right double is equals to 0. This condition means the current character is not present in the map, or its index is less than left. Char map s at the index of right. S at the index of right will return the index of that particular character. So char map s at the index of right is less than left. If any of these conditions, we have applied a or logical operator between them. If any of these conditions becomes true, it means the character is a unique new character. So what we will do, we will include that character in our particular map, and we will also update the value of max length. Max length equal to max length, comma, right minus left plus 1. Right minus left plus 1 will be the value of the substring which is in progress. So that is why we have maintained 2 pointers, right and left. If both of these conditions are false, it means the current character is not a unique character. So in that particular case, what we are going to do, we are going to update the variable left with char map s at the index of right plus 1. And we are going to include it in our map. Char map s at the index of right equals to right. So in this way, when the loop get completed, in the variable max length, we will return the max length as the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So in this way, the question can be solved. Now let us see the dry run of this particular algorithm with the help of an example. See, In example number 1, it was given ABC, ABC, BB. So what will happen? Initially, the left is initialized with the value as 0. Right is also 0. So current character will be A. In map, nothing is present. So it will see A. A will be a unique character. So the first condition will become true. It will be included in our map and the value of our max length variable will become 1. When B will come, again, what will happen? B is a unique character. It is not present in our map. So again, it will be included in our map and the value of the max length will become 2 now. When C will come, C is also not there present in the map. It will be included in the map and the value of the max length variable will become 3 now. Now see the character 4. When A will come, A is already included in our map. So the first condition will become false. So we will see our second condition. Second condition says S at the index of right. So S at the index of right. A position is stored in the map as 0. We have stored a key value pair, character and its index. So at A, the index stored is 0. So it will give us 0. And left is also initialized as 0. So 0 is not less than 0. So this condition is also false. Since both the conditions are false, it means it is not a unique character, which we can see also. A is already included in our substring, so we cannot find it as a unique character. So we will terminate that condition and go in the else, in which we will update the left pointer and index of A. So in this way, the dry run will go, and at the end, the value of the max length will get returned. I hope you all would have understood this particular question. If yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.